guys, welcome back, and if it's your first time watching, I'm Celeste. Thank you so much for watching. This past weekend, I attended the Sonic Temple Music Festival, which I believe is the biggest rock festival in the United States. Don't quote me on that, but Rock on the Range was, and Rock on the Range is unfortunately done and gone. I was fortunate enough to attend Rock on the Range last year though, which was their last year, and it was awesome. This vlog I filmed at Sonic Temple Music Festival to share my experience with you guys, and I hope you really enjoy watching it as much as I enjoyed filming it. I'm using the Urban Decay Troublemaker mascara, as I used this one yesterday. It was my first time using it, and even though it's not a waterproof mascara, it lasted all day and it didn't run, which is great because it was really hot outside and I was out for like, I don't know, probably 12 hours. So I'm in a hurry, I gotta go, so I did something really quick to my hair. I used the Herbal Essences Refresh Blue Ginger Dry Shampoo. I apply that to my root about every inch. I just part my hair every inch and spray it in there. And then I left it in while I curled my hair using my Parwin Beauty Pro curling iron. I used the attachment that was about an inch. And then after that, I just sprayed the ends with this Pantene hairspray. And I just massaged my scalp to massage that dry shampoo in, and then I brushed out the ends, and I was done.
Everywhere I go, and anyone should tell me where will I find What's outside?
I wanted to share with you guys a few items that helped me survive this crazy weekend. First of all, you have to have a clear bag. You cannot carry anything that you can't see through. They need to see the things that you have to make it easier and quicker to get through security. There's so many people there, it's out of control. The first thing I want to talk about that helped me survive the weekend was this rechargeable fan, which I bought on Amazon. I'll put a link below. And it's really nice because it came in all these fun colors. I got the pink, of course, but it has like 3 different speeds. So it really helped to keep me cool, and I had a few friends and family members that started to get a little too hot, so I was able to save the day with this little guy. The next thing that I want to talk about is this sunscreen setting spray from Ulta. I've been seeing different setting sprays that contain sunscreen, but they were all so pricey, and I found this one at Ulta for like $10, but you can also use your like coupons. There's a coupon every week if you didn't know, for Ulta, where it's like $3.50 off of like $10 or something, so it makes it super cheap. It helped my makeup last throughout the day and also kept me from getting sunburned. The next thing I want to talk about is this bucket hat, which I got on Amazon. It's really cute. It's actually reversible, so you can also wear it as a cheap print hat, which is super cute, and it works with all of my different outfits because I had 2 different ways to wear it. I believe that was like $7 maybe on Amazon, and I'll put a link for that in the description box below as well. Another thing that I found really useful, first of all, I packed this little Ipsy bag, but I kept anything that I was afraid might melt if it was in direct sun. I brought my pocket bunny, which is a little like solid perfume, and it was very useful when I started to get all hot and I felt kind of gross, and it smells really good. It's got a really powdery smell. I would compare the smell to like maybe Chanel No. 5. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you really did enjoy this video, and if you did, then please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. Also, if you have any requests for future videos, then put them in the comment section below.